are you reaching for in there, man? Why do you keep shooting to that side for?
Huh?
Why do you keep reaching over that way for? When I stopped you, you're all over in this area. What were you doing?
Huh?
Don't lie. What were you doing? What did you put over there?
I didn't put anything over there.
I saw you reaching all over there. I'm telling you right now, I got on camera, you're all over on that side. What it's over there?
Over there?
Whatever you were doing over that way, what were you putting over there?
I wasn't putting anything over there.
This isn't, I'm telling you, I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. I saw what you were doing the entire time we were stopping. The more honest you are with me, the more I can work with you. If you continue to lie to me, then you're going to tie my hands and I have to do what I have to do. What were you doing over there? You gonna be honest with me or no? What is it? You gonna talk to me or no? Gregory, what's going on with you today? Is your license valid? Is your license valid?
As far as I know.
Alright, why are you not talking all of a sudden? Stressed out? Just aggravated? Alright, well the reason why you're being stopped, you weren't wearing your seatbelt when you went by me back there. Alright? Hang tight. Don't reach for anything, you hear me? Put your right hand out here outside the door until we're done talking.
How negative on what? Suspended DF?
Copy.
Yo.
Hey, where you at?
Ambrose and Stone.
Come back me up real quick.
31.
On your trap stop?
Yeah. The guy's real finicky. When I went to stop him, he was reaching in the right side of the car and stuff. He's got a suspended DL and everything.
Alright, I'll be there.
Alright, bye. When I stopped him, he went probably a good half a block, and the entire time he was like in the right side of the car. When I got to him, I started asking him about it, and he instantly shut down. Like it was like he wanted to tell me something, but he wouldn't come off of it.
What's going on, sir? What's your first name? Are you not talking to me? Did you give him all your information? What's going on, man? Listen, Bo, you just got pulled over for a traffic violation. It's a civil violation. But you not talking to us and ignoring us, and that kind of raises our eyebrows for other things, right? So if you cooperate with us and we cooperate with you, you get out of here. I can't hear you, buddy.
I apologize. Don't listen to that.
I'm talking to you, though. What do you mean I don't sound like a police officer?
I don't want to waste my time.
Waste your breath with what, sir? This is just a traffic stop for a traffic violation. I'm not asking you any criminal questions. I was merely trying to have a general conversation with you while we waited. Right? Like Alright, Gregory, this is the deal, bud. Your license is suspended. Okay, so you're not gonna be able to drive. Yes, why come get your truck? Hey, don't do it. Hey! Hold on. I'm trying. 5 motor 11 Central 12F. The truck that just took off from me. You can't even go. I don't know what's going on. Signal 12, South Montclair, white GMC. Yeah, I have his name and truck, everything. Comes back out of Deltona. He's probably approaching New Hampshire by now.
Charlie 22. You guys have to first 12 F shortage?
5 motor 11 Central, yes, 10-4, 12 F.
Okay, 20 Central, 6 authorized for the county.
Yeah. 2014 white GMC truck. Got a lot of tires in the back, and when he left, he had a weed eater hanging out the side.
What do we do?
Everyone's going. Let's just give it a second before we leave it. Seatbelt southbound 17. Everyone, we just went to Rhode Island. It's in the number 1 lane.
Yeah, I got it. Everyone's control, we're on, go ahead.
Are there markings behind us so I can light this thing up or no? Yeah, I'm about 5 behind this traffic sword. I got lights down, I'm behind us. Ready when you are, first one, 3. Stop stopping. Stop stopping. Let everyone go. He's southbound in the right lane going through Enterprise. I shut everything down. Let everyone go right.
Looks like he's pulling off turn lane, right by the blood center.
So yeah, 6 are authorized, pursuit is not.
Got to the parking lot, head toward the McDonald's. Looks like he's going to try to get out to Enterprise, to the parking lot. Got to Enterprise. Going to be going right, going southbound Enterprise.
You don't mind your lights behind that car. District Ag, we're at 40 mile an hour. Nobody's got it lit up.
Passing Harvey Strickland, left lane.
We have anybody on Saxon with 6? November 26 is the other. We're in the left lane coming up to Saxon. He's in the left turn lane to go eastbound Saxon. If you come to a stop, number 6, number 8. Alright, looks like he's gonna get caught up here in traffic.
Swipe.
Should be back in the Saxon Woods area there behind that public.
Yeah, he is. Turn right into Haversham. Still going on Haversham. He's turning into 501 Haversham.